guys, my name is Caroline Wambui and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. Today I want to take us through two of my evenings, and I'm going to start up by how my Sunday evenings have been. They have always been days of preparing my daughter's uniforms, and I don't love ironing, by the way, but sometimes I just have to do it because I want my daughter to always go to school neat. So I will start by ironing her uniforms. Yes, she has 3 pairs of dresses, and that's what I'm going to be taking care of now. So ironing is not my thing. I don't know if you love ironing. Maybe you can comment down below. And if you love, do you do it in the morning as the kids go to school, or do you do it over the weekend? By the way, I don't have an ironing stand, and I've just converted my TV stand to one. So ignore the wires that are hanging all over. I had to use it there because I have the fears of using an extension while ironing. Or can one iron in an extension, by the way? You can comment below or just advise. I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my My girl's school uniform has gathers, and that's what I was trying to get back because some of them were getting out. I think some of the dresses were not properly done. So that's what I'm just trying to do. I will get all of them back. I just need the gathers back so that the dress cannot look so plain. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. I prefer doing all the dresses over the weekend because they just usually wear them for 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Then the rest of the days, they normally wear their games wear. So when I do this, I don't have to do it again over the week.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky when I'm on the other side. Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when
was done and the dresses turned out so well. I'm going to show you how they look like. And there they are. The gathers are back and they are set for her to go to school in them. So the next thing I will take you through is the following day. And this is what I have been doing literally every evening from Monday to Friday. Since my daughter joined school, I usually wash clothes every day. Yes, every morning after she leaves or before she leaves, I usually wash clothes other than waiting for them to pile up. And the other reason that just makes me to clean up everything is because we only have 2 sweaters. So I'll have to get another one because I'm usually forced to clean the one she had the previous day in the other morning, and thereby I just end up cleaning up every dirty cloth in the house. So the other thing I need to say, forgive my lighting. I don't really understand what is happening in my house. Recently, I have been having problems with the lighting. I tried using a ring light. It's even worse. I try opening the curtains. They are even worse. I really don't know what is happening. And as you can see, this video part is of low quality. I'm still looking for a way out. I don't know if it's the seat arrangement. I don't know. Or whether it is that side that has a problem. I really can't understand. But I really tried my best to just get the right lighting. And this was the best that I could do. So kindly forgive me for that. I'm trying to fix up the problem.
Connection was disconnecting from the source within. There were parts of my core.
Again, this is not my thing. I really hate folding clothes, but you know how disturbing it could be when you have disorganized clothes. And I think this is saving me cleaning up every day because I don't have too much clothes to fold daily. But let me tell you something, my wardrobe is just in a mess. It's in a mess. So even as I fold these clothes, I'm going to put them in a messy wardrobe, but I'm going to look for a day and just clean up the whole wardrobe and declutter and also reorganize everything anew. By the market when getting out from work, and I managed to get a few items, and here they are. The first thing I got are these mangoes, and they are on season. Is it on season or in season? And I got them at 15 shillings each. You can see how big they are. And these are two different types, but I love this one more, the apple mango. I also got these small ones, which are very ripe and sweet. The other thing I got are this maize. You know it, guys. I can't live without githeri in this house. So I'm going to be preparing githeri tomorrow. So we will prepare this maize with you guys. And I also got myself some bananas. You can see them. And I got them at 80 shillings because they were selling at 3 at 20 shillings. I think bananas too are not many in the market. That's why they are a bit expensive. I also got some medium-sized onions. I love these small ones because we don't cook a lot of food. So these ones were all at 30 shillings. I think onions are selling very well, unlike tomatoes. So I normally go to Githurai market, and let me say the prices there are usually very good. very very good, because I think I only spent 300 shillings on all this, because for the maize I bought them at 90 shillings, all of them. The maize at 80, that's 150. The onions at 30, so that's 110. Then the mangoes, I don't think they could be more than 100 bob. Yeah, so I used around 300 shillings for all this. So we are going to be consuming these ones for the week. I think I'm really really sorted for the whole week. I will be preparing githeri tomorrow, so we are going to prepare these maize with you. So see you guys.
My heart rages.
As usual, before storing anything from the market, those that are washable, I usually first wash them. So I'm first going to clean my mangoes, and then we shall go and just remove the meats from the cobs.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Again, the lighting is bad, 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 bad. I think I'll have to keep on apologizing, because I actually had to cut off a big parts of this video because of the same. I just hope I'm going to get a solution. I don't know if it's the phone that is the problem. I'm going to also check it out, because initially it has been just doing good videos on that side. So I don't really know if I have put the settings wrongly. I'm going to check. So I'm going to prepare my maize as I try to catch up with some premieres that I had missed over the day. And yeah.
Find you in my I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
If you have watched this video up to this point, allow me to thank you so much. Thank you for sparing your time to just catch up with my content. And a special thanks to this amazing family that God gave me, the Premier Gang, my Premier Gang. May God bless you so much. Thank you for your big support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for always joining my premiers. So I also want to welcome all the new subscribers of the week. Karibuni sana to this channel. We normally do homemaking, a lot of cleaning, a little bit of cooking, and of course, everything around us is content, so you are going to meet much more in this channel. So I normally upload my videos on Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, and on Tuesday and Thursday I usually do it at 2 p.m. in form of premieres, and on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. and it could be an upload or a premiere. So just hit the notification bell so that every time I upload this video you can always be among the first to be notified.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive.
So for dinner, I'm not going to be cooking. We have some leftover rice. So I'll be eating this one, and my daughter will be having lentils and rice. This is what I'd cooked for her as she was going to school in the morning. So I'll just warm it. And for my rice, I need to soothe it because, guys, it's a mixed. It even has potatoes, it has meat inside. So I've decided to just make a salad against it. So I will be making a salad that was made by one of the YouTubers called June Kirwa. I cannot remember the name of the salad, and I'll only be using these three things: uh, one tomato, one onion, and a mango, just a piece. This one, I can't remember the name of the salad, but I'm going to write the name as I edit. So let me prepare the salad, then we are going to have our dinner.
We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn. Gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky. When I'm on the other side.
Bye bye guys, thanks for watching. Let me see you in my next one.